Hey everyone. Okay, so this morning I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to create a logo as a ping so that you can overlay it onto your mock-ups. A lot of people have asked me that, so here we go. So I've typed out the name of a company, ABC, and I've added an SVG file of an owl. Just for the sake of the video, let's just pretend this is the company. So I'm going to take both of them together and I'm going to right click and I'm going to hit group. So that's going to make it one item. There we go. Like it, looks good. And I want to export this as a ping, and I also want to save it as an SVG file so that I can play with it again later and I can manipulate it whatever way I want or add it, change it. So I'm going to go to File. I'm going to save this as ABC, and it's going to be saved as an INKSCAPE file. So I'm just going to save that to my desktop. Now I want to save it as a ping. So I'm going to click on it once more so that you have the round arrows around it instead of those straight there we go. Here's the straight arrows. We're going to click it once more. There's the round arrows. That's what I want because I'm going to export as a ping. So I'm going to go over here. Make sure that this is highlighted where it says selection, not the other ones, because you're just exporting the selection itself. So make sure that's on. Click export as. It's going to bring you to your desktop. Put ABC and then click save. Now you're going to go back here and click export. So what this is going to do is it's going to actually export the PNG file. And now we know it's done. So if I go to my desktop, I'm going to see that there's an ABC SVG and an ABC ping. And now I do know that this ping is in black and I like the way that looks. It's not always going to look great over certain photos though for staged, for selling online, because sometimes photos have dark elements in them. So you want your logo to also have a few different looks to it. You might want to go lighter. So I can keep it, just click it once to get your arrows. Again, you can keep it all as one group together, and you can go and change it with your lower coloring here to whatever color you want. And save, I'm going to save it as the light gray. That looks good. I'm going to make my round arrows again. I'm going to export it. I'm going to export to my desktop, and I'm just going to put ABC gray. There we go. Whoops. Make sure it's saving to my desktop, and then click export once more. So now we've got the gray version. There we go. Now, here's the next trick. Say I want this done in a lighter gray and this done in a different color. All you have to do is ungroup them. So we're going to go down to ungroup. Click on the one that you want to change the color. So let's go with a little bit darker on that, and let's go with a brown owl. You might want to have that as a overlay just for something different. So we're going to select both again. We're going to right click. We're going to click group. We're going to click it one more time. Make sure the round arrows are out. Export as on my desktop, and just put, ABC duotone or whatever it is that you want to do it, and then click export again. And now we have another PNG, and it is with the brown and the gray. And that's how you make your logo into a PNG file so that you can use it on all of your mock-up pictures without issues. And play around with colors, play around with styles, play around until you get something that you really like, and then just remember to save it. Please remember to save a backup copy of it as well, just in case anything happens and you lose it. You don't want to lose that logo the way you created it. So there you go. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.